Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of filmmaking with one of the most exciting tools on the market, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K G2. If you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone who loves capturing stunning visuals, you're going to want to stick around for this one. In the past few years, Blackmagic Design has made waves with their innovative approach to cinema cameras, offering high-end features at accessible prices. The 6K G2 is no exception. Today, we'll unpack everything from its groundbreaking specifications to practical tips for getting the most out of this amazing camera. So, let's get started. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K G2 is equipped with a Super 35 sensor and a dynamic range of 13 stops, allowing you to capture images with incredible depth and detail. This camera doesn't just record, it brings your vision to life, whether you're shooting a short film, a commercial, or even vlogging your adventures. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First up, let's discuss the impressive resolution. The ability to shoot in 6K means your footage is not only razor sharp, but also provides you with the flexibility to crop or stabilize your shots in post-production without losing quality. Imagine capturing that breathtaking landscape and then zooming in to focus on a single element, all while maintaining that pristine clarity. Now, let's talk about the user interface. The 6K G2 features an intuitive touchscreen display that makes navigating through settings a breeze. You can quickly adjust frame rates, resolution, and exposure with just a few taps. This is a huge time saver when you're on location and need to adapt to changing lighting conditions. And speaking of adaptability, one of the major upgrades in the G2 model is its low light performance. With an improved sensor, this camera excels even in challenging lighting situations. Whether you're shooting in a dimly lit room or capturing the glow of city lights at night, the G2 delivers stunning, noise-free images. And once you've captured your footage, the G2's RAW recording capabilities give you maximum flexibility in post. You can choose between Blackmagic RAW and ProRes formats, depending on your editing needs. This means you can push your creative boundaries without worrying about sacrificing quality. One of my favorite aspects of the Pocket Cinema Camera 6K G2 is its compact design. Weighing in at just 1.5 kilograms, this camera is incredibly portable, making it perfect for on-the-go filmmakers. You can easily throw it in your backpack and head out for a shoot without feeling weighed down. As you can see, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K G2 is a powerhouse for filmmakers of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional, this camera offers the tools you need to create stunning visuals. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the G2, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Have you had a chance to use the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K G2? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, keep creating and pushing your creative boundaries. Until next time, happy filming.